Hey, I'm Junk Manny, and I'm here with the Witch, and I'm going to show you how to marry up a homemade trailer to an old Plymouth using a bottle jack. Now, some of you may know how to do this, some of you don't. So the first thing you want to do is make sure the trailer doesn't roll in any particular direction, or it would be a disaster. So I'm going to be switching out the cinder block for this chunk of firewood, because I need that to jack up the tongue. And do the same thing on the other side here. All right, got her set up here. I'm ready to do some jacking on the trailer.
You're jacking off the trailer? Is that what you said?
No. The jack needs to go up. So
yeah, you're jacking up the trailer.
You're an evil woman.
Well, while you're playing with your handle over there and jacking it up and down with your very strong wrists, I'm just going to give a look around at this gorgeous, very gorgeous place that we are. Look at that. That's Pikes Peak down there. That's a big ass pile of firewood. Piece of cedar and pinyon going down to the house for our wood stove this winter. Yeah, see, that's the thing. That's the thing with you in this thing. You only use a few fingers. Oh, there you go. Get your whole hand into it.
Guy can't have no fun on his day off, can he? All right, now we got the jack high enough. We can marry up the trailer.
Marry?
You guys know what I'm talking about.
You're going to put your ball in that hole.
That's exactly what I'm going to do.
All right, well, get on it, baby. Oh, no, I guess getting on it's my job, isn't it?
Yes'm.
Well, he's going to start up the Fury, and that's got to go in that. Of course, there's no lube. We generally use lube. And... okay!
All right, I'm going to remove the jack stand that was holding it up and slowly let down the bottle jack.
Boom! Ta-da!
Almost like I'd done it before.
So, while Junk Manny plays with his junk, hey, I'll just take you around and show you our nice homemade trailer. Yep. We've been running this thing forever.
1 ton capacity.
Manfred built it. It's actually my trailer.
Douglas fur on the decking.
And it comes complete with the really cute little oil can. Isn't that just adorable? How many people have ever seen, as I tiptoe through the cactus, an old Plymouth Fury? What year is it, Manfred? Manny?
77.
77 Plymouth Fury hauling an old beater trailer with cedar and pinyon on it? Well, that's Colorado, baby.
Colorado, baby.
Say goodbye, Junk Manny.